In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Form. If you're new to Google Forms, one of the most common things people look for is a save button. The good news is that saving your form is actually very simple because Google Forms is designed to save your work automatically while you're editing. That means you usually don't have to do anything extra to keep your progress. To get started, go to your Google Form and open it in your browser. Once you're inside the form editor, you can begin creating your form or continue making changes to an existing one. This is the main place where you'll add questions, edit titles, adjust settings, and build out the form the way you want. Now here's the important part. Google Forms saves your progress automatically in Google Drive. As long as you're connected to the internet, there is no manual save button to click. So if you've been searching around the page, trying to find a save option, don't worry, you're not missing anything. The platform is built to handle that for you in the background. As you build or edit your form, keep an eye on the top of the screen. You should see a message that says all changes saved in Drive. This message is the confirmation that your edits have been saved successfully. It's a quick and reliable way to check that your latest updates are stored. This is especially helpful if you're making several edits in a row, because you can continue working without stopping to save after each change. Just make your updates normally, and Google Forms will take care of the rest. If you ever pause and want reassurance that everything is secure, simply look for that saved message at the top. One useful tip is to make sure your internet connection is stable while you're editing. Since Google Forms depends on being online to save changes automatically, a lost connection could delay syncing your latest edits. If that happens, wait until you're reconnected and then check again for the all changes saved in Drive message. So to recap, open your Google Form, make your edits, and let Google Forms save everything automatically for you. Then confirm your progress by looking for the message at the top of the screen. That's all you need to do to save a Google Form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.